Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a recipe for Katahar. Now Katahar is considered a breadnut and the relative of the breadfruit. In Guyana it is mostly eaten by being curried. Today I am using Katahar that was packaged, cleaned, peeled, and steamed. I bought it at the West Indian store, and I'm sure you would also be able to find it at your local West Indian store as well. Alternatively, if you want to, you can actually buy the fruit itself and go through the process of cutting, cleaning, and peeling it. I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of masala, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 cup of hot water, a half a teaspoon of MSG, which is optional because I know some people do not cook with it, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm also going to be using some blended up garlic, onion, and pepper, and 1.5 cups of coconut milk. Now all of the ingredients and measurements I'm using are in the description box below. Now the first thing I'm going to do is mix some of my blended up garlic, onion, and pepper in with my masala, turmeric, and curry powder. I'm not using all of my blended up garlic, onion, and pepper at once because as you can see here, it's a little on the watery side. But when you're making your blend at home, all you have to do is add less water. Now I'm going to mix it until it's paste-like. This is going to be used as my chunke, and I've talked about the process of chunking in some of my other videos as well. But just as a reminder, chunking is when you cook all of the seasonings in the oil before adding in your meats or vegetables or fruits so that it gets a nice flavor. I'm now going to add 4 tablespoons of oil to my pot and wait for it to heat up. Once it's heated up, I'm going to add my chunke mixture into the pot and give it a nice mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the remaining half of my blended up garlic, onion, and pepper and stir that in for a couple of seconds. Now at this point I'm going to add my Katahar, making sure my curry marries well with it by continuously stirring for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of MSG. And after stirring that in, I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of coconut milk, mixing it in for about 3 minutes before covering my pot and letting it cook for 23 minutes. It's been cooking for about 12 minutes now, and I'm just checking on my Katahar. As you can see, it's a lot less watery than when we first started, and just also a quick note, you should check up on your curry every now and then to make sure it's not catching or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Now I'm just going to put the cover back on and continue to allow it to cook. Alright guys, I'm just going to add some green onions to my curry, and also after tasting it, I'm going to go in with a little bit more salt. You can also go ahead and give your curry a taste and decide if you want to add any more salt or spice. I'm now going to give my Katahar a nice mix and take it off the heat because it is officially done. In total, it's been cooking for 23 minutes. It's dried down a little and has that beautiful color we all know and love in a curry. I hope you guys give this recipe a try at home. It's a great dish to eat on those days you want to go meatless and can be paired with either roti or rice. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, share, and leave all your comments down below. Thanks for watching.